Let me show you how we can factory reset our Samsung Galaxy A57 without using the password. In order to do this, we need to go to the recovery mode, but it is a little bit tricky because if you don't know the password, then if you try to shut down the phone, then the password is required to be able to shut down the phone. So in this case, we need to perform a forced restart of the phone, which we can do by pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons. And once you perform the forced restart, once the phone turns off, you will need to use a USB cable and connect your phone to your computer or laptop. And we need to do this immediately once the screen shuts down. And then once you plug it in, right after that, press and hold power and volume up button. So let's give it a try. We're gonna press and hold power and volume down. I'm gonna prepare the cable, and once the screen shuts down, we need to be quick. There we go, plug it in, and then press and hold power and volume up. And just keep holding. And there we go, now we are in the recovery mode. I can actually unplug the cable now, it is no longer needed. In here, we navigate by using volume buttons. So since we wanted to factory reset our phone, we wanted to go to the wipe data / factory reset option over here, and you confirm by using the power button. Then over here, we should be able to go to factory data reset and once again confirm with the power button. In case you go back to this Android recovery menu, you want to select reboot system now and confirm with the power button to restart your phone and exit the recovery mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.